Keep moving it around. Don't stay in one spot too long. See how it's dripping? Oh, you're too close. Yep, too close. Not too close. Too close. Move it away. There you go. You're sideways. Gotta go up and down. There you go. Whoop. Are we out of air? Whoop. Whoa. Okay. All right. That's good.
On this side.
So we're gonna save some money here and not buy new bolts when the old bolts are perfectly good. And also these are kind of special because these are the differential to torque tube bolts and they get safety wired on them. So we're gonna clean them up.
Clean them.
And he gets to help clean them, that's right. So we're gonna clean them up, clean up the heads and clean up the threads.
What
And we're going to paint them black.
Where's the head?
This is the head.
Oh,
And
can I do it
this is the head and these are the threads.
I want to do the head
Okay,
first.
you just hold it still and pull. All the way. There you go. Hold it still, you gotta hold it still. Okay, keep going. Keep
Or
going.
would you rather do the video? Or would you rather do the
You have to go
video?
all the way faster, it's not gonna do anything.
Okay, I want to do the video.
You wanna do the video? Okay.
Actually, I just do it. But it's too hard
Here. Yeah, you hold it there, hold it real stiff, hold it against your. Whoa, what'd you get? Yeah, this is the spinny part. Don't touch that. There you go. You can do that. Put it down here.
to do it. See? I'll do it. Too slippery.
Okay.
One.
No, probably do it. Do you want to do a video?
No.
Okay, so just hold that, and look at the screen and make sure that Raleigh and I are on the screen. Let me know when you push the red button.
Go.
Okay, so Raleigh's going to.
Oh, it's still going.
Okay. And there's one
There's a
down.
loss.
Kill it.
Can I be in the video too?
Turn it off.
How do I kill it? What do you?
You want to do another one?
Yeah, I'm doing
Okay,
it.
do another one. You do another video.
Can
Hold it sideways. No.
wait? Can I see how it got clean? Oh, it's still a good return. Let's go.
But we're getting the loose surface stuff off.
And sit.
Don't move it. You don't move that. Let me move the bolt. Is there in the way of the camera? Can you see your fingers?
No. No.
There you go.
Yeah, our fingers. His fingers are not.
Okay. Tell me when you push the button.
Let's go.
You're recording now?
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Is it a square? Is it a red square?
Okay, so
It's a tiny one.
Raleigh is now going to help me with this because it was too difficult to hold the power tool with the 5-year-old. So we're going to have a 7-year-old prove how strong he is. All right, here we go. Let's do this. All the way. Don't move it.
I'm pressing it.
Don't move it. You're moving it.
Dad, can I press it?
No. Keep. Okay, that one's clean. Push button. All right, first thing, we've got our brake pedal here, and we are going to lubricate the bearing inside. This is a lot like the bearings for the transmission. They have little grooves in them. We want to make sure that all those grooves are filled with lubricant. Now there is a lubricating point, a Zerk, on the end piece here, which we took the old bit off, we need to replace, but there's a Zerk that goes on there so we can lubricate this, but you know, initial assembly, we'll go ahead and also make it go on easier. So, all right. Now, one thing that I did have to do is when I replaced the bushings inside of here, the oiling holes, as you can see, I'll put this down. Oiling holes or the grease lubricating holes are here on the sides. And here. 180 out from each other. But the bushings don't have those holes. So if you were to leave no hole in the bushing, then there would be no extra lubrication that's getting from here from that Zerk. So I went ahead and drilled holes on each side, filed them out so that there's no burrs or anything on it. And now our lubricating system will get all the way up to this brake pedal. All right, so now we'll just slide it on, wiggle it on. Hopefully it goes on relatively easily. Nothing ever does, so I don't know why I would expect that this does. But because it's a new bushing, it's gonna be tight. There it goes. Put a little lubrication on the end here where it might rub up against the housing itself. And I'll just put some on the outside here and that'll smush it up against there. You know, I'm gonna lube up any 2 points that are gonna rub up against each other. All right. All right, so that's greased. Oh, a lot of extra grease on the outside there. Wipe that up. Okay. All right, that's the brake pedal on. And you can see down here how it will actuate the plunger on the master cylinder. Now, we're going to feed this shaft through. And again, we're gonna lubricate that. Might have to use the rubber mallet on this. Okay, so the brake pedal is on, lubricated. The clutch pin is in, lubricated. Had to use the big 20-ton press to do it.
Wait, how do you do it?
And now the clutch pedal is just gonna go on. So this one is pinned in place.
Can I do it?
So it does not require any
Can
lubrication.
I do it, Dad?
And just press it on.
Oh.
Line up the hole. Get the pin in. And voila!
Whoa.
It is on.